Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete your KuCoin account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in kucoin.com and click on Enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, at the top navigation bar of your screen, you will see your profile icon. Hover your mouse to it and go to Account Security Options. Now scroll down a little and you will see Delete Account option. Click on Delete button, which is at the right hand side of your screen. After that, keep in mind that your all account data will be deleted and all of your APIs in your account will also be deleted, and you will no longer be able to log in, deposit, withdraw or trade with your account. Also, your all trading history in your account will be deleted. After that, click on this checkbox here. Now click on Delete Account button. After that, you can leave a feedback here and click on Continue button. After that, if you have not binded your mobile phone or added Google verification, you need to add by clicking on this button. Now click on Send link here. After that, open your email and you will see a link in your email. Type in the verification code sent in your email. Now, open your Authenticator app and you will need to scan this QR code. After that, type in the code generated by your Authenticator app and click on Activate button. Now you need to set a trading password. Click on Edit button and you will need to type your two-factor authentication code here. And click on Next button. After that, click on OK. And type in your trading password here and confirm it by typing it again. After that, click on Continue button. Now scroll down a little and again click on Delete Account button. After that, check this box and click on Continue. Now you can type in your feedback here. After that, type in your trading password here. Now you need to verify with your email. Click on Send link here. Open your email address and find the verification code sent by KuCoin. After that, you will need to type two-factor authentication code generated by your Authenticator application. Now click on Delete Account button. So that is how you can delete your KuCoin account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.